everyone, Scrapper Sam here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Scrapper Sam Show. This has been an extremely slow week for scrap. I have never seen this before. But what are we gonna do? You know, just look harder, right? Well, anyway, we are out scrapping. It's probably gonna take me a couple of days to put together enough footage to make a reasonably long video, but we're gonna try. Anyway, this is gonna be the start of this show. We're gonna hit a few of the well-known commercial areas. Stuff was pretty busy this morning and I didn't really have a chance to scour the area as well as I could have, so we're gonna look over some stuff that we already visited and see if there's anything new, and we're gonna maybe, just maybe, get some good scrap. Come along and let's see what we get. Scrapper Sam. No, I got some scrap here. Monitor, speakers, and you know what? I might be able to not necessarily use these speakers so much, but the power supply for these speakers, and a cool toaster oven. All right, there's scrap tidbit here. An all metal fan. Looks like one of the blades broke. Okay, very good. Is this, yeah, it looks more like fiber optic cable. I just saw it sticking out there. Okay, not what we're looking for. Missed this. These are drain pans for water heaters. They've rusted through, it looks like, but it's good scrap. Really odd because this area isn't really scheduled for the bulk pickup, which is where I, you know, get my scrap from, and yet it's yielding a lot more scrap than the area that was marked on the map as being ready for bulky trash. Chimney cap, good scrap. So I saw another scrapper coming the opposite direction. He got a washing machine or a dryer, I couldn't tell which one, before I did. I'm gonna have to recheck the map because this isn't really supposed to be the scrap area, but it's definitely yielding more scrap than the official scrap area on the map. Well, that's a nice piece of aluminum there. Well, there's an itty bitty fan here. I'll take that. I don't have a need for an itty bitty fan, but I'll tear this down. And there was a garage sale here, it looks like, and this is the aftermath of that garage sale. So a few things. Sweeper. Oh, there's something. Looks like a part of a hubcap. And that's gonna be a little bit of wire. Oh, it's a one of those things, but I don't need one of those things. Hey. Bird seed. This looks like some wire. It says bird seed, but this thing's empty. Anyway, we'll take it to the scrapyard. All right, thank you for all that. Appreciate it. Really nice find, and maybe even more. These are canvases. You know what? Those are going to be for the little scrapper because she loves to draw and paint. And it looks like some other stuff in here. It looks like some kind of a neon sign type of thing. Huh. We're going to have to look at that. Not that. That looks like a copper cup. Maybe just copper plated. No, I think that's an actual copper cup. And a couple of fans. And another one of those, could be a neon sign type sign. I don't know if these are working. We'll have to test them out. It says man cave. I think it might be, I don't know. It might be okay. We're gonna keep looking though. Man cave. I wish I had a man cave. I just have a garage. All right, this is awesome. This is just what I've been looking for. We even have some bonus scrap here. Gonna need to make a little space on the trailer, but I'm gonna get that done right now. Nice. So I got the washer and dryer on board. They're both Maytag, both nice units when they were new. The dryer is supposed to not be working, but the washer could be working. I have no way to test that out. If anyone knows anyone that buys these things other than the scrapyard, let me know. I would appreciate it. All right, we're gonna keep going a little bit more, and but the trailer is essentially full. I mean, that's a full load, and I got some stuff I want to offload to test. Those signs, for example, the neon type signs, I'm going to check those out. All right. Even though we've got that washer dryer pair on the trailer, there's still quite a bit of room for more stuff. So we are going to fill that space with whatever we can find. It's getting a little breezy, a little windy, and actually pretty cool outside. I think the last time I looked at the temperature, it was 73 degrees out. Ha, cool. It looks like we've got a dishwasher. Looks like a dishwasher, plus some bonus material here. I think, well, yeah, we'll just we'll have to get everything on at once here. The the loading gate has been kind of blocked there. I can put this at my house, but I think I need to get this out of the box. So I can get it loaded. I'm just going to put this stuff here. This is a heavy dishwasher, which usually means nice and expensive. Uh-oh. That wasn't the direction I wanted that to go. Okay. All right, and I'm just gonna pack this. Well, yeah, actually, I'm just gonna leave this stuff here. It's been kind of windy, so I'm gonna put the heavy stuff on top and kind of squish this down some so it doesn't blow away. Looks like we've got a pop-up here. Yep. Not a whole lot of room for this, but and very awkward. Hey, we made it out to the scrapyard, and not especially busy today. Got a few people out here. We're just going to so I had a subscriber tell me that there's some good scrap in the fans, that there's the motors are usually copper, and so I took one of those fans apart that I got earlier, and it was copper inside. So I had done that, taken a motor apart before, and it had been aluminum, and I just didn't really bother anymore with those. But seems like they can definitely be copper, so I'm going to pay more attention to that. Steel. More steel. More steel. Hey. I don't see a way to easily take this apart. We'll just chuck that. This. I know there's going to be some wire in there, but This looks like it's well, oh, it's a screw in the end. Ow. Huh. I didn't really touch this table out. Well, looks like the tabletop is aluminum and the legs are gonna be steel, metal. Oh, this guy. I think that used to be part of a tool of the fan that I took apart. So one thing, I had two other fans, box fans like that, and I'm going to make a super fan out of them. I want to put two fans together and make that into a super box fan. So, if you remember, I had a man cave sign and this shiner sign. So the shiner sign, the S in shiner was not working. So not much I can do with that. But the man cave sign, on the other hand, I might actually keep this extendable. The man cave sign, on the other hand, the switch that turns it off and on was not working properly, so I disassembled it, cleaned it, and now the switch is working, and so I'm pretty happy about that. After this, I'm gonna see if I can locate any good commercial scrap, but if not, I'm gonna head right over to the warehouse that I'm cleaning out, and wow, that looks new. We'll get the back off that thing and gets the copper out of it.
Well, let's see. The dryer, the screws were 1/4 inch on those. It's just the next size up. so you know what, we're gonna leave that in that. These are hard to get out, so. Alright. Hopefully we'll be rewarded with a bunch of copper here. I don't know if I'm gonna, how much of this I'm gonna edit. Maybe I should speed this particular clip up a little bit.
Wow, not a whole lot that I can get to there. Okay, here's some. Get the scissors out and start cutting that. Wow, this doesn't have a lot of heavy copper in that area. I'm going to have to roll it over to the other side. I'm going to have to cut these connectors off at some point anyway, so might as well do it now. Okay. Yeah.
I need one like this. What size is it?
10 foot by 5 feet, 10 feet long. Yeah, it works pretty good. It's you ought to be able to get a 12 footer on that though.
Yeah, I'm in today. I'm looking into one already. I'm already looking into one, but it's because my shots, they're kind of already out. I've been putting a lot of weight on it.
Oh yeah.
Fix with my shots.
Yeah, I've got a Forerunner that I'm going to start using. I got some repairs to work on, but this has got 1,500 towing capability, and the Forerunner is 5,000 pounds. This one's only the trailer is like 700 pounds, so I get 800 pounds worth of scrap, and I'm already at my limit on the car.
So okay. So you can only hold 700 pounds on the trailer.
The what?
You can only hold 700 pounds.
Well, this can only tow 1,500 pounds. The trailer weighs 700, so it's a little limiting, but you know, it's okay. Okay. Oh, one more thing. Then we'll be done. Okay. Yeah, this is the only one I go to now.
Okay, there's another place I could recommend you to, and they pay pretty good. It's just kind of far. It's called Ocon Metals.
Oh yeah.
Just look it up and.
Yeah, I actually live over in Plano.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, this is pretty close to me. Thanks a lot, man. Take care. Hey, Colleen.
How are you? How are you, Scrapper Sammy? Scrapper Sam?
Um,
Scrappy Sam? That's my new name for you, Scrappy Sam.
If you're gonna say it right. It's Scrapper Sam.
Scrapper Sam, yeah.
Even my 3-year-old can do that.
Scrapper Sam.
She's hilarious when she does it.
I love it. And you know what? Children are the most brutally honest creatures in this world. And when they, like when she says scrap, she's doing it with just, that's just pure fucking shit, man.
Oh wow.
Kids are amazing. They are, they are the treasures that are given to us.
I know. I can't live without my 3-year-old. I don't know what I'm going to do when she's 4.
Oh my God, look. Yeah, because it's a trip.
Yeah.
I still look at my daughter. She has 6 kids. But when I look at her, I don't see a mother of 6.
Oh yeah.
I see my little girl with pigtails.
Yep. No. Let's not go there. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Hey, have a good weekend, Sam.
Thanks. So we got 642 pounds. That's $32. Not too bad. Kind of what I expect. Lightweight trailer, small SUV. You can't really get a whole lot. Anyway, we're done for that round. Join me for the next Scrapper Sam episode. Thank you everyone for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Scrapper Sam.